Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to make a healthy Blue Magic Latte without sugar. First, we need to prepare the blue Butterfly-Pea-Tee. Start by boiling some water. Then add 1 teaspoon of butterfly pea powder or 2 to 5 butterfly pea flowers into a cup, depending on the size of the flowers and how strong you want the color. For this recipe, I am using a 200 ml cup for the Butterfly-Pea-Tee. Now pour the boiling water into the cup. Let the tea sit for about 10 minutes. You can also cover the cup while waiting to keep more of the flavor and benefits of the tea. After 10 minutes, remove the butterfly pea flowers or tea bag, depending on what you are using. Now let the tea cool down until it reaches room temperature. To cool it down faster, you can add 1 or 2 ice cubes. It does not need to be very cold, just around room temperature. While we wait for the tea to cool, we can prepare the milk. For the best result, use barista milk, because it is specially made for coffee and creates better foam. If you use normal milk, choose one with around 3.5% fat. One important trick, the milk should be cold, directly from the fridge, around 5 degrees Celsius. There is no need to warm it before frothing. Now start frothing the milk for about 20 to 30 seconds, depending on the power of your frother. During frothing, keep the frother in the correct position to add as much air as possible and create a smooth foam. The foam should not be too thick and not too thin. It should have a smooth and creamy texture. Now we can prepare the coffee. Add 1 teaspoon of instant coffee into a cup. Then add around 7 to 8 teaspoons of water and mix for about 10 to 15 seconds. The coffee should not be too strong like Dalgona coffee and not too diluted. It should have a smooth consistency. Now it is time to prepare our Blue Magic Latte. For this drink, I am using a 400 ml glass. Fill the glass with ice cubes almost to the top. Ice is very important for this recipe because it helps keep the Butterfly-Pea-Tee stronger and helps the milk stay on top instead of mixing too quickly. Then pour in the blue Butterfly-Pea-Tee, leaving enough space for the milk and coffee. Now slowly add the milk using a spoon. Pour it slowly to prevent the layers from mixing too quickly with the tea. After that, add the coffee on top, also using a spoon. Pour it slowly to prevent faster mixing. Do not pour it directly into the glass too quickly. The amount of milk and coffee can be adjusted depending on your preference and how strong you want the coffee flavor to be. And that's it. Your healthy Blue Magic Latte is ready. You can add a straw, decorate it if you like, and enjoy this beautiful, trendy, and refreshing summer drink. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy recipes and tutorials.